If you have a large property or lots of wet, heavy leaves to clear, you could benefit from a backpack blower. These deliver more power to finish the job faster than handheld leaf blowers. And while backpack blowers often weigh more than their handheld counterparts, they feel lighter due to better weight distribution across the user's chest, back and hips. There are plenty of high-end backpack blowers built for commercial operators who'll strap them on them for multiple hours every day. For this list, we focused on models targeted to dyers. If you're ready to start shopping for a backpack leaf blower, here are a few factors to consider. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share and comment. Here is number 1, EGO Power LB7654 765 Leaf Blower. High-efficiency brushless motor, weather-resistant construction, includes tapered nozzle and spread nozzle, ergonomic design for superb balance and user comfort. Variable speed control dial delivers 260 to 580 CFM, average runtime of 90 minutes. Ergonomic compatible with all EGO 56V ARC lithium batteries for superb balance and user comfort. Number 2, Toro 51621 Leaf Blower Vacuum. Superior blowing and mulching proven by controlled laboratory testing. Powerful up to 250 miles per hour degree. Variable speed control for better control in both blower and vac mode, vacuum tube, bottom zip bag, cord storage hook, shred-all shred ring and time-saving oscillating tube included, extension cord sold separately. This bag is designed to capture leaf particles, not dust. Product needs airflow to work properly. Number 3, BLACKDECKER 3-in-1 Leaf Blower. Easily converts into a corded leaf blower, leaf vacuum, or mulcher for versatile use. Air speeds up to 250 miles per hour and airflow up to 400 CFM deliver the power you need for quick, effective clearing. Easy to wear backpack with up to 2x the bag capacity allows for hands-free operation. Allows for enhanced maneuverability when vacuuming leaves and debris. More power at the push of a button. Corded design offers unlimited runtime for even the biggest jobs. Number 4, WORX 40V Leaf Blower. New GMAX 40V 2.0 Ah lithium-ion battery provides more power and longer runtime. Variable speed motor delivers max speeds of 150 miles per hour. Extension tube helps increase reach and blower efficiency. Lightweight design provides easier control over the unit. Number 5, WORX WG509 Electric Leaf Blower. Changes from leaf blower to vacuum mode and back again with just the flip of a switch. The metal impeller cuts in 2 stages, chopping leaves down to an 18:1 mulch ratio, that's 18 bags of leaves mulched into one. 80 miles per hour to 210 miles per hour and 350 CFM. Go slow for pavement or tight corners. WORX tools are engineered with cutting-edge technology and above modern efficiency standards. It's only 8.6 pounds in blower mode, and the ergonomic design funnels the wind in a way that's easy to handle, perfect for when you're in vacuum mode.